My dear friends, now I will going to start the session 2 of this NDL library, how we can access or how we can get most out of this. In the last session we have covered about how school students can get, or the person or stakeholders of a school can get maximum out of this NDL library. The link of that video is given in the description box of this video. You can go to that page if you are in this school zone or you are belonging from school field. Okay, today I will going to cover most of engineering background, how engineering students, faculty or engineering fraternity can get maximum out of it. Myself Subham Awasthi, I'm working as tech coordinator and assistant professor in mechanical engineering department in engineering college Banswara, Rajasthan. I am being appointed by NPIU under the TechCube 3 project of MHRD. So let's get started. First of all, you have to type this NDL as it is there, ndl.iitkgp.ac.in, or you can Google NDLI. You will get a page of National Digital Library of India. Click on that, then you will reach to this page which is there on your screen. Okay, so first thing is you can convert the language of this page or this website from English to your native language, whatever you want to convert. Okay, I am going demonstration in English. Respective to your native language you can convert if you are not comfortable with this language. Okay, so that you can convert this web page or this website into the domain language whatever you want to see. Next, how we can log in and what are the benefits of login. Okay, do the login here with the help of this email ID and password. If you are not registered, then do register with the help of your email ID and personal details, which will give you insights about what are the things which you have previously covered. If you have seen some pages, you can save those pages, you can save those links in your profile, so that whenever you are coming back you should not again research those things. Okay, so that will store your data, or that will create your own library or your own directories in your profile. Okay, that you can do with the help of registering or with the help of login. So do register all of you. Okay, and after register you can get your email ID and password. Do type here and write the captcha and then login. Okay, somehow if you have forgotten your ID password, then you can do the account recovery if you have already registered with the help of this tab. Okay, so these are the things related to your login. So let's see what are the things are there for the engineering students. Okay, let's go to engineering. I have clicked on engineering here. Okay, that will redirect you to other page of engineering where you can see most of the content of engineering page. Okay, so that we will see. And similarly there is a page of science where you can get most of the details of science stream related to the science stream. Now next is your humanities, literature, management. Will cover one by one in the upcoming sessions. Today we will concern about only engineering. Okay, so I have clicked on engineering. The page is open now. This is common engineering, aerospace engineering, architecture, chemical, civil, CSE, electrical, and many more branches are there. I will start it with mechanical engineering as this is my domain, so I can explain it bit better. So first of thing is books. What are the books related to the mechanical engineering? This tab is there. Similarly in other branches also same tabs will be there. Like aerospace you will get the books, generals, video lectures. Okay, for the common subjects you will get technical quiz, video lectures and books. Okay, I have opened the book for the mechanical engineering. Let's see, these are the few books pasted over there, or download. You can directly go and download these books. Okay, now what other things are there for the student? Video lecture. This is very prominent thing. I will cover this SWAYAM and NPTEL portal in upcoming sessions. What are those things are there, how we can get maximum out of those NPTEL and SWAYAM portals. So this thing is already incorporated in this NDL library, that you can directly click on mechanical engineering, go to the video lecture and web lecture in NPTEL. You will directly redirected to the page. Subject you want to study applied thermodynamics. Click on the applied thermodynamics. Any select any item from the right panel. You can select web course. Okay, this is the web course. This will give you the PPTs and all. Click on gas power cycle. If you are want to learn about gas power cycle, it will directly redirect you to the gas power cycle PDFs. Okay, first is introduction. I have clicked on introduction, then it will directly move me to the gas power cycle. This is the gas power cycle by Professor USP said. Okay, so you can go and scroll and read all the content related to the gas power cycle. Similarly, you can also click on Carnot cycle, Stirling cycle, Ericsson cycle. Those who are from the mechanical engineering field, they will relate most of it. So this you can cover by clicking on one by one. Suppose you are from multidisciplinary, you want to learn some subjects related to multidisciplinary from NPTEL, like you want to learn about roadmap of patent creation. Okay, so what are the roadmap? This is the week 1 lecture, or this is a whole course. You can directly go to lecture 1. If you want to learn lecture 1, then click on this roadmap of patent creation introduction. That will directly open your first page or the web page of that subject. Okay, this is the thing. You can do the next here, topic by topic. Okay, this is created by video. You can directly click on the video. You can learn whatever things are there. I have play the video. Okay, this is the way you can learn most out of this. This is by Gauri ma'am, so you can also learn the video lectures with the help of this technique. Okay, next, so this is the way you can scroll. Video lectures on stress and transformation is there, so that you can google it out, or you can get it with the help of this mechanical engineering tab. Okay, rest, if you want to learn something related to your generals, then you can go to this page. If you want to these are the most COVID-19 generals are listed here, so that you can go through which are the upcoming, which are published generals, what are the conference and meetings are going on. Then ideas and funding, what are the ideas and funding related to the present scenario, that is listed here. You can also participate in those ideas and fundings if you want to participate and you meet the eligibility criteria with your faculty. What are the challenges and startups are going on, that you can go through. What are the challenges which are going on in present scenario, that you can go through with the help of this. Okay, so in this way you can extract most out of this. And there are some featured collection as well. What day of Satyajit Ray, on this day. Person of the week is Professor Salab. Topic of the week is pandemics in history. Talk and webinars are going on. You can click on the talk and webinars. Then you will get what are the talks and webinars are going on in the present time. Okay, so that you can go through and get the most authentic data related to the engineering. So in this way you can learn maximum out of it, or this is most suitable platform where you can learn virtual e-content with the help of National Digital Library, which is being developed by IIT Kharagpur and managed by IIT Kharagpur team and sponsored by MHRD. Okay, if you have any other doubt, then you can also visit our engineering college web page or engineering college website by typing gcbanswara.ac.in, where you will get most of the links, most of the things related to the online education. We have pasted many live classes, online lectures and classroom notes. If you have any friend or colleague who want to do engineering, then do tell him that this is a government and autonomous institute of government of Rajasthan. Okay, is affiliated to AICT and Rajasthan Technical University Kota, where they can place the inquiry by filling one Google form which is there on our website, and do visit our website for more e-content and more other knowledge about engineering. In we are running four branches like computer science, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering and civil engineering. Do subscribe our YouTube channel as well. I will link is there. And for other e-content, we will try to cover as much as possible for all our student and teaching fraternity. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with our engineering college YouTube channel.